Lake view from front yard. Home features an open concept and split-bedroom floor plan. Master suite is private with large walk-in closet, another closet, and tiled shower. Kitchen has Knotty Alder cabinets, island, granite countertops, stainless appliances and pantry. Huge backyard with pergola-covered patio and new wood fencing. Indian Harbor is located just outside the city limits of Granbury, no city taxes. Amenities in this gated community include marina with boat slips, clubhouse with pool and teen center,